Welcome to the 17th video of the 30 indicators of a healthy family business. Indicator 17, Innovation and Adaptability. A family business may have a proud history, strong values, loyal customers, and an established reputation. But past success alone cannot guarantee future success. Markets change, technology changes, customer expectations change, competitors change, new generations bring new ideas, and unexpected disruptions can reshape an industry very quickly. That is why innovation and adaptability are essential indicators of a healthy family business. Innovation and adaptability help the family business stay ahead, embrace change, and remain successful in a dynamic world. Innovation does not always mean inventing something completely new. It can mean improving a process, using technology more effectively, finding a better way to serve customers, introducing a new product, or changing the business model. Adaptability means having the willingness and ability to respond when circumstances change. In this indicator, we will explore forward thinking, creative solutions, competitive advantage, continuous improvement, future proofing, people and culture, and the importance of balancing innovation with family values. The objective is not change for the sake of change. It is thoughtful progress. A healthy family business respects its history while remaining ready for its future. 1. Forward thinking. The first dimension is forward thinking. A focus on innovation keeps the business moving forward and relevant in a fast-changing world. Family businesses should regularly anticipate future trends rather than reacting only after change has already occurred. Monitor changes in customers, technology, regulation, competition, demographics, and industry structure. Ask what these changes could mean 3, 5, or 10 years from now. Encourage new ideas from family members, employees, customers, advisors, and external specialists. Remain curious and open-minded. A business that assumes today's successful formula will always work may gradually lose relevance. Invest in innovation appropriately. This may involve research, digital tools, process automation, new capabilities, product development, or experimentation. Forward thinking also requires a long-term vision. Family businesses often have an advantage because they can think across generations rather than only from quarter to quarter. Use that advantage. Anticipate future trends. Encourage ideas. Stay curious. Invest wisely. Lead with a long-term vision. The future rarely arrives exactly as expected, but businesses that actively think about it are better prepared when it does. 2. Creative solutions. The second dimension is creative solutions. Adaptability encourages people to look at challenges differently and discover new opportunities. When a problem appears, avoid assuming that the traditional solution is the only solution. Encourage people to think outside the box. Invite different perspectives. A younger family member, an experienced employee, a customer, or an external advisor may see possibilities that senior leadership has overlooked. Create an environment where responsible experimentation is accepted. Not every idea will succeed, and that is normal. Small, controlled experiments allow the business to learn without exposing itself to unnecessary risk. When something does not work, ask what was learned rather than simply who was responsible. Creativity grows when people feel safe to contribute ideas. Turn challenges into opportunities. A supply problem may encourage supplier diversification. A customer complaint may reveal a service improvement. A new technology may create an entirely new delivery model. Think creatively. Solve problems constructively. Learn from different perspectives. Experiment responsibly. Convert challenges into opportunities. Adaptability transforms uncertainty from a threat into a source of learning and innovation. 3. Competitive edge. The third dimension is competitive edge. Innovation helps a family business differentiate itself and remain attractive in the marketplace. Competition is rarely static. New companies enter markets, technology lowers barriers, customer preferences evolve, and competitors improve. A healthy family business therefore asks continuously, why should customers choose us? Differentiate through innovation. This may involve better quality, faster service, superior customer experience, unique products, stronger technology, more efficient processes, or a trusted brand. Deliver unique value rather than competing only on price. Monitor competitors, but do not simply copy them. Understand what they are doing, then determine how your strengths, values, knowledge, relationships, and capabilities can create something better. Build capabilities that are difficult to imitate. These may include specialized expertise, customer relationships, organizational culture, proprietary knowledge, or an exceptional reputation. Innovation should ultimately improve value for customers. If an innovation does not solve a meaningful problem or improve performance, it may simply add complexity. Differentiate, create value, stay ahead, build capabilities, enhance customer experience. Sustainable competitive advantage comes from repeatedly improving how the business creates value. 4. Continuous improvement. The fourth dimension is continuous improvement. Innovation is not limited to major breakthroughs. Many of the strongest businesses improve through hundreds of small changes over time. Review processes regularly. Ask where time is being wasted, where errors occur, where customers experience frustration, and where costs can be reduced without harming quality. Set improvement goals. Use feedback from employees and customers. Adopt better tools and systems where they add value. Measure whether changes actually produce better results. The plan, do, check, act cycle is a useful discipline. Plan the improvement. Implement it on an appropriate scale. Check the results. Act on what has been learned. Then repeat the cycle. Celebrate small wins because they reinforce a culture of progress. Continuous improvement also prevents complacency. A process that worked well 5 years ago may no longer be efficient today. Review, improve, measure, learn, repeat. When improvement becomes part of the culture, the business becomes more efficient, more responsive, and better prepared for larger changes. 5. Future proofing. The fifth dimension is future proofing. No business can predict the future perfectly, but it can build the capacity to respond to future change. Adapt to market changes. Develop flexible systems and processes. Invest in relevant skills and technology. Reduce excessive dependence on one customer, supplier, market, product, technology, or key person. Future proofing also requires preparing the next generation. Future leaders need exposure to emerging technologies, changing business models, new markets, and modern management practices. Encourage them to gain external education and experience before taking major leadership responsibilities. At the same time, maintain strong financial discipline. Innovation should not become uncontrolled spending. Evaluate investments carefully, test assumptions, and manage risk. The objective is to build flexibility. A flexible business can adjust faster when conditions change. It can redirect resources, modify products, adopt technology, and respond to new opportunities. Adapt, build flexibility, invest in skills, diversify risk, prepare future leaders. A future-ready family business does not know exactly what tomorrow will bring, but it develops the capabilities required to face it confidently. 6. People and culture. Innovation depends on people. Technology, systems, and capital matter, but ideas ultimately come from individuals who are willing to question, learn, experiment, and improve. Build a culture that encourages contribution. Empower team members to identify problems and suggest solutions. Promote learning and professional development. Recognize useful ideas, including those that come from non-family employees. Family businesses sometimes unintentionally create a culture in which people wait for the owner to make every decision. That limits innovation. Create appropriate authority so capable employees can act within clear boundaries. Encourage collaboration across generations and departments. Senior members contribute experience and institutional knowledge. Younger members may bring new technology, market awareness, and different perspectives. Neither should dismiss the other. Innovation becomes stronger when experience and new thinking work together. Value new ideas. Reward responsible initiative. Encourage teamwork. Learn continuously. Build a positive culture where people are comfortable asking, "Is there a better way?" When people grow, the business grows stronger every day. 7. Balance with values. Innovation and adaptability should always be balanced with the family's core values and long-term vision. Not every new idea is appropriate for every family business. Technology may change, products may change, markets may change, processes may change, but the family should understand which principles should remain constant. Stay true to core values. Innovate responsibly. Make ethical decisions. Consider the long-term consequences of short-term opportunities. A new business model that generates revenue but damages the family's reputation may not represent genuine progress. Likewise, resistance to all change in the name of tradition can eventually weaken the enterprise. The challenge is balance. Preserve what is valuable while improving what must change. Ask whether proposed innovations support the family's mission, customer promises, reputation, and long-term purpose. Governance structures can help by establishing how major innovations and strategic changes are evaluated. Values should guide innovation, not prevent it. Innovation provides movement. Values provide direction. When both work together, the family business can modernize without losing its identity and can grow without sacrificing its legacy. Innovation and adaptability are not optional qualities in a changing business environment. They are essential capabilities for continuity and long-term success. Think forward. Encourage creative solutions. Use innovation to strengthen competitive advantage. Improve continuously. Build a future-ready business. Create a culture where people learn, contribute, and experiment responsibly. And balance every major change with the family's values and long-term purpose. Now ask your family and leadership team, what has changed in our industry during the last 5 years? What is likely to change during the next 5? Which technologies could affect us? What do customers expect today that they did not expect before? Where are our processes outdated? Are employees encouraged to suggest improvements? Are younger family members contributing new perspectives? And are we innovating without losing our core values? Choose one action today. Review one outdated process. Test one new idea. Explore one useful technology. Invite employees to propose improvements. Or hold a family strategy discussion about the future. Stay innovative. Stay adaptable. Lead with purpose. Succeed together. Leave a lasting legacy. I am Basheer Juma. Visit www.timemanagementclub.com and follow at Basheer Juma on YouTube and Facebook.